Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to reset cellular and Wi-Fi data usage statistics on Telegram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your Telegram app and tap on this three line icon to the top left corner and tap on settings and tap on data and storage and tap on data usage and select mobile and scroll down and tap on reset statistics. Tap on reset and now tap on Wi-Fi. Scroll down, tap on reset statistics, tap on reset. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.